Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to properly clean your WildTop truck topper to keep it looking great and performing at its best. You'll need a soft bristle brush like the one I've got here and a cleaning mitt to gently remove dry dirt, and of course some water, so either a hose or a bucket is fine. And that's it. There's no need to buy any other cleaning supplies. Keep petrol or oil away from your WildTop as these can damage the canvas material. And don't use soaps, detergents, solvents, harsh chemicals, or liquid cleaners either. All right, guys, let's start.
Now, for more of the stubborn stuff like bird droppings, mud, or tree sap and the like, this is what you're going to want to do. Firstly, remove them as soon as you notice them. That's going to save you a lot of hassle down the road. Then, use the hose and direct the water at the grime and remove it. If some of the droppings remain, go get some lukewarm water, a soft cloth, or a mitt and just work into the area. Just try not to scrub too hard though, as this can damage the canvas by lifting up the fibers, which will reduce its durability and waterproof effectiveness. One key aspect of maintaining your truck cap is taking care of the zippers. Over time, dust and dirt may accumulate in the zipper teeth, especially if you're often in a dusty or sandy environment. If this buildup occurs, you don't want to force the zip open or close, as this may cause damage that is irreparable. Instead, gently wash the zipper teeth regularly, removing any of that lodged debris. And if there's a stubborn stain, use a soft brush and carefully clean the area.
Once your WildTop is clean, allow it to air dry completely before putting it to the test. And that's it. With regular cleaning and proper care, your WildTop will maintain its aesthetic appeal and waterproof performance for the years to come. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if this video was helpful, then like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.